And welcome to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about bank reconciliation statement and few of the logical tips that can be used to ensure that your answer is correct when you attempt a question in your exam. So bank recon statement, first it starts either with balance as per cash book or passbook. Today we will see balance as per cash book. So all the entries can be divided into four categories. There can be different adjustment entries, but all the adjustment entries can be divided into four different categories. The first one is payment entry in cash book, not in bank. So if there is a payment entry in cash book, but the entry is not there in bank, that means you have made a payment entry, reduced the cash balance, but the cash balance is not yet reduced in your bank. So we need to reverse the entry that we have made. So we have reduced earlier, now we will add. The second one, payment entry in bank, not in cash. Like bank charges, it is automatically debited. Automatically your bank balance is reduced. But the entry is not yet passed in the cash. So the cash balance is still higher in your cash compared to your bank. So we need to make the entry. And what is the actual payment entry when you make your cash balance reduces? So minus. Now under receipt. Receipt entry made in cash book, not in bank. So there is a receipt entry. It is there in cash book. So I have increased my cash book balance, but the actual balance in bank has not yet increased. So now what I have to do? I have to reverse the entry. So earlier I have increased the balance, now I have to reduce. So I have minus. Then receipt entry in bank, not in cash book. So there is a receipt entry. Okay, the actual cash, it has been deposited in the bank, but the entry is not yet made in the cash book. So my actual bank balance is higher than the balance in the cash book. So I have to make the entry, which I have forgotten to make. I have to make the actual receipt entry. And when you make a receipt entry, your cash balance will increase. So we have to add that entry. So once all the any kind of adjustment entry given in your question has to fit into any of these four categories. First, we just read the adjustment entry and see to which category it fits in. And according to that, add or reduce, you will arrive at balance as per bank book. Bank book, bank statement, passbook, it all means the same thing. And one more tip, if the balance as per cash book is an overdraft, okay, usually cash book, it should always show a positive balance. We should always have balance in our cash book, right? It should always show a debit balance. What if it is showing a credit balance? What if there is an overdraft? In that case, just put a minus in your balance as per cash book. Then keep the rest to be the same. You will arrive at the answer. I hope the video was insightful, and in case you need any clarification in any of the topics in CMA syllabus, you can just put a message in the comment box and we will try to take it up in the next videos. Thank you, and subscribe to this channel for more videos on CMA syllabus.